Nowadays, there's some rating companies that try to numerically put a score, an ESG score, on various companies. But the problem with that is the rating companies have different methodologies, so they come out with different numbers. And probably most importantly is what may be important to you may not be important to your neighbor. So in other words, maybe you're really concerned about environment. Someone else is really concerned about women's rights and animal rights and social type issues. What's interesting is looking at which factors are most important to ESG investors, and it's pretty much split across the board. I mean, it starts with rate of return. About 17% of people were saying that's the most important aspect of this. 16% said social impact, then goals of the company, and then just slightly less environmental impact. So it's interesting. It's not like one is sticking out. All three seem to be important to whoever the person is. So as you invest in this sort of thing, it's really important to kind of focus in on the types of companies that support the cause that you're interested in.
Yeah, but I think more importantly, too, if you kind of take a look at the numbers there, I mean, rate of return, what's going on with the overall company? Is it a good company? Are they profitable? You know, what type of industry are they in? And then you look at past performance. So still, the foundation of investing is still there, but then you just put a social impact on it, which could be a really cool thing. Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com and click on our special offer. It's pursuing a better investment experience.